Launch day, May 21, 2025, 9 a.m. EST. One Platform 8 Ad Networks AI-driven. Let Advertmate's AI build winning ads across every platform, so you can focus on profits, not the process. Claim your review access copy. Get your JVZoo link. One unified platform. Manage ads that win. Ad goal and concept. Advertmate provides the best types of ad types and ad platforms to run your ad based on what the user's goals are. Advertmate will choose the best types of ads for your goal on each network for you to select. AI powered for best results. 10 years of excellence. After 10 successful launches on JVZoo generating over $14 million in revenue with $7 million paid directly to affiliates, Advertmate represents a decade of market-leading innovation. $14M plus. Generated on JVZoo in 10 years. $7M plus. Paid directly to affiliates. 10th. Successful product launch. 3x. Average earning for 75% of affiliates in launch week. VIP leaderboard of launch competition. For the first time in history of 10 years we are offering $30,000 launch competition prize money for top 20 superstars of VIP leaderboard. Even if you end up in 11th to 20th position you are going to become definite winner of USB-C travel monitor. Why promote Advertmate? Proven track record. I guarantee I will help you make this one of the most profitable launches of 2025. Every single launch I have ever done has generated 6 figures, with 6 of 10 generating multi-6 figures and 3 generating multi-7 figures. The benefits: save time with world's only all-in-one advertising platform to manage ads on over 6+ platforms. Advertmate brings every top important AI tool into one single suite to create, manage, and profit with paid ads. No need to have 8+ tabs open for each platform. Advertmate is the all-in-one solution. Advertmate's Auto Optimizer increases your ad performance for better result. Advertmate collects and analyzes ad performance data to optimize content for better results and continuously improve overall ad performance. See where your sales come from and what platforms perform the best. The ability to compare your results across 8+ different platforms is almost impossible, but not anymore thanks to Advertmate. Simply create your ads, push them live directly inside Advertmate and let Advertmate's optimizer show you what works and what isn't on each platform, allowing you to only promote where you are getting the best results. Create unlimited ads for unlimited clients on every social platform in seconds. Built-in image creator. Design stunning ad creatives in minutes with our built-in design tools and 1,000+ ready-to-use templates. Real-time performance tracking. Track all metrics across platforms in one dashboard and make data-driven decisions to maximize your ROI. Auto optimization. AI-powered optimization that continuously improves your ads, reducing costs by up to 70% while improving results. Advertmate features. Unified dashboard. One platform, multiple channels. Advertmate combines all your advertising channels into a single, powerful platform. Manage, optimize, and scale campaigns across Facebook, Google, YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat, LinkedIn and Pinterest from one dashboard. Cross-platform management, unified analytics, AI-driven targeting, audience insights. For agencies and marketers. 300% better performance. Our AI-driven optimization consistently delivers 3x better results than traditional advertising methods. 200% time savings. Unified platform reduces campaign management time by 200% on average, allowing you to scale your business. One-click creative generation. Generate platform-specific creatives instantly with AI, eliminating the need for expensive graphic designers. For your clients. Ad spend optimization. Average of 35% reduction in cost per acquisition across all connected ad platforms. Unified reporting dashboard. Comprehensive analytics that show true cross-platform performance without data silos. Competitive edge-powered targeting finds opportunities your competitors miss, giving your clients the advantage. Demo video of Advertmate. Watch how Advertmate revolutionizes advertising across multiple platforms with its powerful AI technology. Your video is playing. Click to unmute. Pause. Rewind settings. Discover how Advertmate creates high-converting ads across Facebook, Google, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and more with just a few clicks. Get review access. Affiliate marketing arsenal. Full JV Doc resource pack. Get real-time updates on launch progression, swipes, bonuses, funnel links, coupons, price rises and more. Everything you need for a successful promotion. Download JV resource pack. Available a few registration. Affiliate benefits. VIP affiliate support. Team paid out over $7 million in JV commissions over 9 launches. Let's make it another 7 figures for Advertmate. Luke McGuire. Register as an affiliate. May 21, 2025. Anything you need at all, myself and Simon Harries are here for you, so sign up now and reach out to me to get a review access copy that you can get started with right away. We are here to make this the most profitable launch of 2025. You can expect to make 3x the amount you make in launch week within the next 3 months, along with commissions for many years to come. Make sure to get your review access right now and ensure you've signed up to the email list, as we will be giving you key upgrades, bonuses and more. Please reach out to myself or Simon below and we will get you set up right away. Simon and I are here for anything you need. Reach out now and let's get you set up with your review access. Thank you for your support. We're committed to making this the best JV launch for our partners. Your success is our success, and we're here to support you every step of the way.